Amreen's Easy Recipe. Today I'll be making some easy egg muffins. Here I'm joined with a very special guest, April, my budgie. If you want to see what they do, go check out their YouTube channel, April and Flume the Budgies. I'll put the link in the description below so you can see their channel. Oh wait, Flume just joined us. Anyways, to make the egg muffin, you will need parsley, onion, bell pepper, tomato, salt, pepper, cumin, 3 eggs, and a spice of your choice. Okay, let's get started. So first we're going to mix all the vegetables together in one bowl. Now I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Next, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to mix this thoroughly until I don't see any spices. You could also add another spice of your choice. I'm going to add roasted garlic and peppers. I'm going to put this mixture to the side, grab a measuring cup, and crack 3 eggs in it. I'm going to mix this thoroughly with a whisk and add some black pepper. Okay, I'm done mixing this. So now I'm going to put this to the side and grab the molds. Here I have the molds. You can use silicone molds like I am using, or you can use a cupcake tray. If you're using a cupcake tray, make sure to grease the cupcake tray thoroughly, or else the egg muffins will stick to it and you won't be able to get it out. Now I'm going to put the veggie mixture from earlier into the molds. Next, I will add the egg mixture into the molds. Next, I'm going to put this in the oven or toaster oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, the egg muffin is ready. Now I'm going to let it cool. And voila! We have the egg muffins. I really hope you enjoyed this video with our 2 special guests, April and Flume. Bye! April, Flume, say bye.